Freight run. Was had a bubble. But yeah, it's official. Harbor Freight is definitely the Walmart of tools. You go in there for one. I just came for a ratchet wrench. That's it. So all I came for was a 3/8 impact $100 ratchet. Well, damn, I didn't know she had all this stuff back here. I'll put mine on the back seat. But yeah, ended up with a tool cart, screwdriver, the impact I came for. The ratchet I came for, lights. Hercules got me by the ball. So I'm pretty happy and pretty hyped about my purchase. I got a bunch of stuff from Harbor Freight to fill up this tool cart and stuff and start trying to do my LS swaps by myself. Next thing I gotta get is the cherry picker and the engine stand. But hopefully I'll have it by the time I get the motor out. And I'm gonna continue on this journey trying to do it myself. Sick of waiting for people. About to lay it all out. About to unbox this. Build this cart. Put all my tools together. Bye-bye bucket. So this is my tool set so far. I'll be going bye-bye though. Place the bucket. After that, I'll get the whole toolbox. Evidently, I'll have enough stuff by then. That's what we start with. Let me get that little tripod that I gave you. The thing I said, it kept falling out of my pocket. All right. We got Hercules. By the way, Hercules got me by the balls right now. I like their stuff. Got Hercules 20 rope, LED light stick. Got Hercules 1/4-inch brushless compact impact driver combo kit. I really bought this because it came with the charger and the battery. I needed the screwdriver, but for the price, might as well get the kit with the battery and the charger. So now I got 2 chargers, but I have to pay $50, $60 for it. Next is all I was coming for. I just wanted to Harbor Freight to get this 3/8-inch cordless ratchet and a 4-hour amp hour battery to go with it, 12 volt. That's all I want to get. But I did see this cart on coupons on the app, and I wanted it, so I was thinking maybe the ratchet in the cart would be perfect. But once you get the cart, you gotta have stuff for the cart, so I had to get a set of wrenches to go in the cart. Just a little Pittsburgh $20 set. And I've been seeing these for a long time. I wanted one. The USB adapter, you put it on your battery. It was only $10, so why not? The zip ties was on $1.49, so I had to buy them. Well, that's everything. I'll open the stuff up and show the stuff open. And then after that, I'm gonna put together the cart. Left y'all behind. Almost left y'all behind. Just picked up the ratchet. Opened it. I ain't pulled it out there. Feel good to the touch. They didn't have extended reach. I'm gonna get the extended reach. Well, they had extended reach quarter. But I don't really have no quarter sockets. I ain't want to use that adapter. So I was set up on both fingers. Pretty nice. Don't feel all cheap. Don't seem all cheap. Open up the battery. Alright. That's the right too. Nice. Just open the battery. That's the battery. I chose the 4 amp hour. I think they only $10 more. So I think I'll just gather up a couple of these, at least 2 or 3, because I know I'm gonna have this thing. So one for each at all times, and one as a backup. Probably 2 more. I guess I can slide that on. To the one hand stuff, I see it on YouTube all the time, but never had to do it. Got another one, like a circle or one. I'm gonna get that too. I got another one, shaped like a drill almost. Just one of them, I'm gonna get that one too. I guess when I'm I'll put the battery in and turn the light on once I open this up. I guess this y'all missed the last one. Oh, I got these. One hand stuff. What you say? Whatever you make, man. Let's go, man. like I'm doing something. I ain't fixing nothing yet. Man, you know I got that battery. That right there. I need one of those anyway. They're like 67 bucks, about 97 for the whole package. So, whole package of work. So, just slide this light on. Probably get some 2 amp hours for these. I thought I had no reason to have these little batteries, and now that I got the light, I guess I do. That's nice. Guess that's the brightest. Dim down some. Those 2 volts. Yeah, that's all of them lit. That's 6 and 8. I like it. And got this magnetized. It's a hook. That's what everybody likes about it. This right here. It hangs really good. I'll change that out and put it on the drill. Oh, it got the auto setting, like the high torque got. I really like that setting. It's really good. It's like having a smartphone. See? It just stopped because it didn't feel nothing. That's auto setting. You see my finger? It stopped because it don't feel nothing. I like that a lot. Okay, I believe that's everything. So it's time. Like I said, you need to open it. So I put it in the cart. I still don't need to open it. Time to put together the cart. Almost got y'all. Very nice finish. Like a powder coat or something. It should be very simple. $129. So that's all the hardware. Alright, that's everything. Next time you see it, it'll be put together. That's the progress I made so far. Put the wheels on and the arms. Now I'm about to attach that, the middle drawer, and we'll move on to the top. While I do like the quality and everything of the car, just came to a halt. I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 screws, 7 wires, 7 bolts. Everything else is on the floor. That's gonna put the drawer on. Those gonna put the handles on. It's missing 1 washer for that to complete that too. Other than that, I really like it. But it's missing. These the 2 bags. These the 2 bags that it came in. Spread them out on the thing once I got like that. It's missing a bunch of stuff. So I figured it out. These screws go for adding the handle on, and that's why you short those other screws. So now I gotta take these back out and put all 4 on the other sides. I get it now. I'll show you when I'm done. Sorry, Harbor Freak. There's the finished product. Got all my cordless tools inside the bag. Batteries lined up on the bottom. Chargers on the bottom. Got 1 charger plugged up in the wall right now. Honest review, I really like the quality and everything, but I think I should have just went to. They had a coupon for $169 for the tool. It's more like a toolbox that rolls more so than a cart. I don't think I need both, but I might, now that I bought this first, I might end up buying both, because who wants to take this apart and take it back? But it couldn't hurt to have both. I just don't feel the need for both. I still haven't cleaned out my garage space or nothing like that to like utilize it as a shop, even though I should once I start working on cars. But yeah, this is it. That's my setup. Still don't know. That's my setup. Impacts I need most. There wasn't enough space to put all the rest of my little tools, so I guess I'll just have them on the cart. Or what I was thinking is I'll just buy like a little $12 tool bag and put the rest of the stuff in there. The tool bags be on the bottom, whatever you use to be on top. I actually love it. It's really like perfect for a starter like